Cairo's street food scene is legendary. Today I'm eating my way through the city's most iconic dishes. Let's go! Hey everyone, I'm in Cairo, Egypt, and today I'm on a mission to try the best street food this city has to offer. From falafel to kashari to sweet treats, we're eating it all. Let's dive in. Think crispy falafel, juicy shawarma, and the most flavorful kashari you've ever tasted. Let's eat. First up, we're starting with Egypt's version of falafel, called taameya. It's made with fava beans instead of chickpeas, and it's absolutely delicious. Look at how crispy this is. Let's try it. Wow, it's so flavorful and fresh. This might be the best falafel I've ever had. Next, we're trying Egypt's national dish, kashari. It's a mix of pasta, rice, lentils, chickpeas, and crispy onions, all topped with a spicy tomato sauce. This is a carb lover's dream. Let's dig in. It's so hearty and comforting. The crispy onions add the perfect crunch. I can see why Egyptians love this dish. Now we're moving on to shawarma. Cairo's shawarma is next level. Juicy, flavorful, and packed with spices. Look at how juicy that meat is. Let's try it. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. The garlic sauce is so creamy and the meat is perfectly spiced. I could eat this every day. No food tour is complete without dessert. We're trying two iconic Egyptian sweets, kunafa and basbousa. First, the kunafa. It's made with shredded phyllo dough, filled with cheese and soaked in syrup. Let's try it. It's so sweet and gooey, perfect for anyone with a sweet tooth. Now the basbousa. It's a semolina cake soaked in syrup. Let's see how it tastes. It's moist, sweet and absolutely delicious. These desserts are the perfect way to end our food tour. Okay, real talk. Eating this much food in one day is no joke. I'm stuffed, but it's totally worth it. I also got to chat with some of the vendors. They shared how these recipes have been passed down for generations. It's amazing to see how much love goes into every dish. So, was Cairo's street food worth the hype? Absolutely. From the savory taameya to the sweet kunafa, every bite was unforgettable. What about you? What's your favorite Egyptian dish? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more food adventures around the world. See you in the next one!